Now we'll be moving ahead and we will be importing another footage here. So if you see here, I have got a sequence here. So it says HCW Godiva wide. So just let me show you this. So what I want here is, if you can see, this is basically shot on a chroma screen. So of course we'll be using key light, and we'll be exploring the other attributes and the parameters of that key light function. As you guys know, that key light is a very advanced tool for removing green screen or chroma removal or blue screen removal. So we'll be using that, which we have already seen in our previous session. In this session, something special which I wanted to show is, if you can see here, I just zoom in here, this is the frame here, and now if you see here, if I just zoom in, this has to be, if you see, this is the frame, and this is an entire green screen cloth here, and there are some elements which are being shot here, which means the fan here, which is there during the shoot, and there is this display TV where the final shot is being covered. Earlier, where we had used, or the footage which we had used, was a flat chroma screen where there were no objects or any obstructions. So while shoot, if you want to really learn chroma, there might be any obstruction or any objects which is might be present there, and how to get rid of that. So if I play this sequence here, so this is moving something like this, and as you guys can see that it's actually an image sequence, so it's moving like this. But when you once import this in footage, it will just play throughout. So what you need to do here is, we need to get rid of this, and we will be only keying out this area. So these area will be removed, and the term which we use is in the post-production industry is garbage matte. So many a times there might be any object, or there might be any portion of the footage which you want to just chop it off, or do not want to consider it during your final post-production or post, then that term which is to be removed is known as garbage matte, where we will not be considering this area. So we'll just import this footage quickly. So I'll go to After Effects here, right click, I'll say import, and I'll say file. The shortcut for that is Control and I. So I'll go here and quickly I'll insert my footage here. So this is the footage what I have, if you guys can see. So I will be importing this Godiva wide. So clicking here, earlier we had only imported a video sequence and we did not import any image sequence. So in this way also you have to import the image sequence. So you have to select one here, and make sure this option here is checked on, as it says PNG sequence. Otherwise, if it's not checked on and if you select here, only one single image will be imported. So if you can see, if I play this here, there is only one single image. So I'll just delete this. Again, I'll go here, double click, and I'll say, for selecting this, I will say here PNG sequence. So that entire sequence here, if you can see, there are around 276 frames. So this entire range of 276 frames will be imported in After Effects, and then you can head down import. And now if I'll double click here and if I play, you can see the timeline here, which was not present earlier while you had imported that single image. So if I play this, hit spacebar to play. Yeah, this is playing, and this is a totally image sequence. Now going to its metadata, if you see here, it's in 960x720 with 1.00 square pixels, 276 frames and 30 FPS. Now what we'll be doing here is, I will be dragging and dropping it right here inside my comp here. So a new comp has been created. So I'll name this comp as, double click here, hit enter, and I'll name this comp as King, which means on this composition, which is, if I see the composition settings, this is around 60 by 720, which is the original dimensions of my image, with 276 frames, and FPS rate here is 30 FPS, so 30 FPS frames per second. So which means that by dragging and dropping it here, this composition has already automatically taken the settings of our footage, which was this.